What if every rose was a message you could read at a glance? Color isn't just pretty, it's a secret language in petals. At its core, the rose stands for love and beauty. But the thorns remind us that love has edges, that beauty can demand sacrifice. And sub rosa, under the rose, meant whatever was said stayed secret. Red is passion, white, new beginnings. Pink means gratitude, yellow, friendship. Orange is fascination, lavender, enchantment, blue is mystery, black, rebirth. Numbers speak too. 1 rose means you're the one. 3 says, I love you. 6 is infatuation. 9, everlasting love. A dozen is the classic be mine. 50 or more, and all in love. So next time, read the bouquet like a letter. Choose the emotion, count the stems, let the petals do the talking. Now go say it without saying a word.